out of the club.
Liza Featherstone, the issue of pay and what people are paid, the number of workers on food stamps, etc.
Many workers are on food stamps or other forms of public assistance. In fact, Walmart managers know that and often refer their workers to public assistance or give them the forms to fill out. That's been well documented in many states. I think in many states, Walmart has been, of any private employer, the one with the largest percentage of employees on welfare. And that's one of the many reasons that that many communities are fighting to keep Walmart out. People are still disturbed by the sex discrimination allegations and disturbed by many of the corporate practices. But the wages, absolutely, people are that's something that people are very aware of, and people are trying to keep Walmart from expanding.
And in terms of Walmart's contribution, political contributions, and the political policies they support?
Yeah, that's something over the years Walmart has become much more engaged in politics. For many years, I think Sam Walton used to say he didn't really believe in participating in the political process. That's completely changed. They're been very engaged. For a number of years, they supported almost entirely Republicans because they felt that was where they were going to get the most support for anti-union policies, opposition to raising the minimum wage, that kind of thing. But in recent years, they've begun to support Democrats a lot more in an attempt to garner support on both sides of the aisle. And their philanthropy has been in very liberal realms as well. And it's kind of a part of a process of hoping to win the rest of America over, so that they don't they don't want to just be a conservative red state company. So the lawsuit has been a big remaining obstacle for them in that ideological battle.
We're talking about legal strategy here, and we're talking about a major win for Walmart at the Supreme Court, but there are a number of campaigns that are building around Walmart. Can you talk about the efforts of the United Food and Commercial Workers?
Sure. There's a real resurgence by the United Food and Commercial Workers to promote public awareness of Walmart's practices in the ultimate hope of changing them. That's been focused in a variety of ways. One is definitely been site battles, efforts to prevent more Walmarts from opening, particularly in New York, Washington, D.C., places where the retailer has historically been a little scarce. So the union's really focusing a lot of effort on that. Those very well might be successful. They often have been in the past, those efforts, because they really brings the community together, brings a wide coalition of people who say, look, this retailer is just not ready for our city yet or our neighborhood. We need to see better practices.
In terms of legal issues, the New York Times reporting the plaintiffs' lawyers are still seeking complaints from female Walmart employees who've been denied equal pay or promotion at the website walmartclass.com. And so we will continue to follow this story at every level. Thank you very much, Liza Featherstone. Her book is called Selling Women Short, The Landmark Battle for Workers' Rights at Walmart. And Stephanie Odle joining us from Oklahoma, former Walmart employee, one of the original plaintiffs in the case against Walmart, filed the gender discrimination claim against Walmart back in 1999 that ultimately led to the class action lawsuit, the lawsuit that was thrown out by the U.S. Supreme Court yesterday. This is Democracy